चलो एलओसी का स्लोगन यानी कि बुलेट टू बुलेट, यानी कि केरला से 26 बाइक सवार, इनमें से 50 लोग जो हैं इस पर आ रहे हैं और ये कुल मिलाकर आज लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल पे जा रहे हैं। और एक कड़ा पैगाम ये है कि पहलगाम सानहे के बाद जिन 26 लोगों को वहां पर मारा गया, तो उस हवाले से 26 बाइक राइडर्स और इन पर 50 लोग सवार हैं, जिनमें मर्द और जन भी है। तो हम इनसे ये पैगाम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि आखिर इसका मकसद क्या है कि आप लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल पे जा रहे हैं, तो आप यानी कि चलो एलओसी बुलेट टू बुलेट, ये क्या नारा, व्हाट्स द एम ऑफ दिस रैली?
This happened after the heinous attack happened at Pahalgam. 26 innocent lives were shot dead. And thereafter, I posted a Facebook post asking people to rally behind me with their own bullets. I didn't expect that this much response will come out. And somehow, a lot of people responded. And after that, what you're seeing is the number of bullets. And somehow it came to be 26 bullets, as 26 bullets were fired to silence in the innocent lives of Bharat. There are 26 bullets, Royal Enfield bullets, which will roar for bravery, national integration, and resilience. So this is it. So bullets for bullets, bullets against bullets. Our bullets is the beacon of peace and hope. Their bullets is of terrorism and cowardice.
Your aim is to revive again tourism in Kashmir after Pahalgam attack. This is the motive.
Definitely. For the last decade, Kashmir is seeing a boom in terrorism, which is being very detrimentally or hampered by the act of certain anti-nationals, which should not go. Which should not be the case, and so that we from Kerala, traveling all the way from the southernmost part of the country, almost braving through all the harsh weather situations, riding almost 4,000 kilometers, reaching here is a sign and is a clear message which is louder. We are trying to tell the whole nation that Kashmir should be revived. Kashmir's tourism should be revived as it was before.
How many people you are going and how many?
We have 52 people. Around 26 bikes are there, and pillion riders are also there, and also 52 people are accompanying.
Male and female also.
Yeah, male and female, transgender, everyone is there.
What's your message to those people in India who want to come Kashmir, but after Pahalgam attack they have a fear?
My opinion is that nobody should be afraid of this act of cowardice. We have full faith in our army. We have full faith in the system of this country. We have full faith in everything, so that people should not be afraid. And if the aim of terrorism or the mode of working, the modus operandi is like that, it is not killing 1,000 people. It is killing 10 people in front of 1,000 people. Okay, so that they are spreading the terror waves to others. So if that is the act which they are actually, if that is what they are doing, our idea is to spread bravery to everyone. Our 26 bullets will roll.
हमारे से एक फीमेल है, तो उनसे भी जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. What's your name apart from you?
My name is Gayatri. I'm also from Kerala.
Name of this rally.
As he said, we are all on a mission to convey the message that India is the safest place to travel. Here, everyone is single, and we all have a single mission. So, yeah. After Pahalgam attack, to see the situation of Kashmir, it very disheartening to see a place Kashmir without tourists. Last August when we visited the Dal Lake, and everywhere we could see so much of people around, but now it's almost
What's your message to the people of India, those people who want to come Kashmir but they have fear after Pahalgam attack? What's your message?
We are here to convey the message that all must visit this place. This is really the heaven on earth. So you must visit this heaven, and this is our place, and nobody can tear this apart.
यानी कि आपने कहा कि कश्मीर जन्नत है, पर तो आप क्या कहते हैं, आप उनसे कहेंगे कि आप इस कश्मीर, इस जन्नत में फिर से दोबारा आइए.
You must come again. You must come again. You must visit this again, this place again and again, and that is the voice against terrorism.
Chalo LOC. This is a slogan. So what's the aim of this rally?
Aim of the rally, it's like first of all we have declared solidarity to our armed forces, and also the aim and the proclamation are same. Actually, we say that we are not afraid of terrorists and their activities. And if they try to silence us with their bullets, we will roll with our bullets. That's a message actually.
Okay.
Thank you.
You are comfortable in Hindi or English?
Anything, आप
Oh,
बताइए।
good. What's your name? Where from you?
I'm Sonam from Darjeeling.
So, Chalo LOC.
जी,
This is the slogan.
yes.
So, what type of message you want to convey?
We want to convey this message that united we stand, divided we fall, and that this is a cause we are saying that we all have to come back in unity, and this is where love and peace lays in the heart of humanity.
What type of message you want to convey those people who want to come Kashmir, but after Pahalgam attack, they are in fear?
I would say Kashmir that I have been traveling over the years is one of the most safest and the most beautiful places on earth, and that this very small, I wouldn't say, this is something very huge that people should be really worried about, because Kashmir is the heaven on earth, and that the tourism in this place should really grow, and people should not be worried. It is very safe, and all you can do is like come here and try the safety of this place, and also the beauty.
कश्मीर मेहमान नवाजी में जो है माना जाता है,
जी।
तो आप पिछले 10 रोज से कश्मीर में हैं,
जी।
केरला से कश्मीर में हैं,
जी।
तो क्या लगा आपको कश्मीर की मेहमान नवाजी?
कश्मीर की मेहमान नवाजी तो मुझे लगता है इस संसार में पूरी दुनिया में सबसे बढ़िया है। यहाँ पे लोग इतने अच्छे हैं, इतने हम्बल है, और बहुत ही ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे आप अपने ही घर में हो, जो आप लोग खावा पिलाते हो इतने प्यार से। सो इट इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल, और लोगों को कश्मीर एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहिए, क्योंकि दिस इज़ वन प्लेस विच इज़ ट्रू ट्रेजर ऑन अर्थ, and the best hospitality that you can ever experience.
चलो LOC और 26 लोग, यानी कि पहलगाम साने के बाद जिस तरह 26 लोगों को वहाँ पर मारा गया है, और एक पैगाम ये है, एक बड़ा पैगाम ये है कि एक बार फिर से टूरिज़्म को रिवाइव करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और 26 लोग जो हैं वो अब वहाँ पर जाने की तैयारी में हैं, यानी कि सीधा केरला से अब LOC शारदा मंदिर पर ये अपनी हाज़िरी देंगे। लेकिन एक पैगाम वहाँ से जारी करना चाहते हैं, इनका यही एक पैगाम है कि आप दोबारा कश्मीर आइए। जो सैलानी डर रहे हैं, उनमें खौफ है, ये उनसे कह रहे हैं कि आप आइए, कश्मीर का मज़ा लीजिए। और ये सीधा केरला से आप LOC शारदा मंदिर जाएंगे, और शारदा मंदिर में ये पूजा पाठ भी करेंगे। और उस पूजा पाठ में क्या ख़ास होगा, थोड़ा इनसे फिर से दोबारा जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। जब आप LOC पहुँचेंगे तो शारदा पे आपका किस तरह का क्या पूजा होगी, क्या दुआ होगी?
The prayer that we wish to make is that the whole country should be peaceful. The whole country should be peaceful for everyone to travel. There is no room for terrorism in this country.
यानी कि कश्मीर में जो है ये चाहते हैं कि अमन होना चाहिए, और ये अमन के लिए भी दुआएं करेंगे। खुसूसी दुआएं शारदा मंदिर से होंगे, कश्मीर में अमन व अमान फिर से हो, उसके लिए ये भी अमन के लिए दुआएं भी करेंगे। तो यानी कि तैयारी की हालत में है, अब जाने की तैयारी की हालत में है, और हम हमारी तरफ से इनका बेस्ट विश है किया जाए। आप कुछ कहेंगे इसके बारे में? एनी टाइप ऑफ मैसेज?